Well, my brand new Alaska Bushwheels extra large tail wheel blew out after 6 hours. But I took it into Bushwheels and they said, yeah, we know we've been having trouble with those. So what we do is we put 2 tubes in them now. So they've got 1 tube on this side, and they took my wheel adapter in, cut a little notch in it for the valve stem for that side. And so now I have a tube on each side and 2 tubes. So if one goes flat, you just blow up the other one and you figure you got about 5 hours of flying time on the other one. So they did it all on warranty. Didn't charge me a dime. Took them about an hour to get it all done, put back together. So, yeah, another reason to like Alaska Bushwheels.